We live in a world surrounded by connected devices. Let's ask Google. Hey Google, how many connected devices are there in the world?
They say around 29 billion connected devices one air forecast by 2022, of which around 18 billion will be related to.
We live in a world of screenagers. In other words, screenagers can be defined as Generation Z that constitute of 32% of the world's population as of 2019. Let's look at some of the very interesting facts about this generation. They like to spend considerable amount of time on social media. On an average, they spend about 3 hours a day on social media. They're always connected. About 55% of this population spend more than 5 hours on their phones. And what's interesting is about half of that 55% spend more than 10 hours a day. The other most alarming part about this generation is the attention span that they have. It's said that their attention span has reduced to about 8 seconds. They're not able to focus continuously on certain topic for a longer period of time, which is a huge concern in today's age. Some of the statistics we see today around the amount of time we spend in front of the screens is scary. And I wanted to take this time to challenge all of you to look at the time that all of you spend in front of your phone screens. I used to spend about 45 minutes every single day on Instagram alone. And through constant monitoring, I've been able to reduce that to less than 15 minutes a day and have been able to set up certain alerts. So if I exceed my time, the phone reminds me that, hey, you have other things to do. Over the course of time, I've been able to utilize an app called Screen Time to be able to monitor all the phone activities. And what I've been able to do is to categorize each of the apps into productive and non-productive to be able to truly validate how much time am I spending on the right apps to be able to learn from them instead of utilizing the phone as a distraction. Today, I am able to track even the amount of time I unlock my phone, and I was surprised to learn that on certain days I would end up unlocking my phone over 150 times a day. And I'm constantly working towards ensuring that I spend more time utilizing the phone as a learning tool instead of it being a distraction. I found this app to be fairly easy, while I know there are several other apps which can be used to track the activities that you do on phone. I'd like to take this opportunity to challenge all of you to try and set up a monitoring mechanism for you to learn the amount of time you spend on phone and whether or not you're spending your time wisely and in the right apps. I can at least tell you that it has been immensely helpful for me to utilize my time wisely. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your views in the comment section. Also, please feel free to subscribe to my channel.